Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the largest hotels in Jamaica. Now, as you know, the tourism industry in Jamaica is growing. Jamaica, it's just a matter of time before Jamaica has the most hotel rooms in the Caribbean. Jamaica currently has between 30 and 50,000 hotel rooms. It will have 50,000 hotel rooms when all the expansion that we're going to talk about is done. And the leading island in the Caribbean with hotel rooms is the Dominican Republic with 80,000. So Jamaica will have close to 50,000 soon. But at the rate that the hotels are being built in Jamaica and the rate at which the existing ones are being expanded, it's just a matter of time before Jamaica surpasses the $80,000 room number. Now, the largest hotel in Jamaica today is the Bahia in Runaway Bay, 1,350 rooms. But a lot of the major hotel chains in Jamaica plan to add more rooms. So we're going to talk about the hotels that have or will have over 2,000 rooms when their expansion projects are finished. Now, these are all hotels that are open and up and running in Jamaica. They're just expanding because there are other hotels to come on stream, although construction hasn't started yet, like Harmony Cove and Sugarcane Bay. They will have well over 2,000 rooms, but they have not started yet. So we're not going to include them. So the hotels in Jamaica now that have over 2,000 rooms are one, Sandals. Sandals has numerous hotels around Jamaica, and when you add up their hotel rooms, it's well over 2,000. So they are definitely in the club of having over 2,000 hotel rooms. Another one is Rio, or we could say number 4 is Rio. Now, Rio has 7 hotels in Jamaica, well over 2,000 rooms. The latest one to open up in Trelawney, I think, has, is it 700 rooms? Rio in Negril, not Negril, Ocho Rios is, I think, 700 rooms. And Rio has numerous hotels in Negril and Montego Bay. So they are definitely in the 2,000 room club. Now, number 3 is Moon Palace. Now, Moon Palace currently operates a 700 room hotel in Ocho Rios, but they announced recently that they're going to be building another hotel in Montego Bay, Lilliput, Montego Bay. It's going to be beside the Unico and the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Now, that new hotel they're building is going to be 1,350 rooms. So they definitely will be over the 2,000 room mark. Now, the second one is Princess Resorts. Actually, I think we messed up the list. Because the next one we're going to talk about is Princess Resorts. They are building a hotel in Green Island. Now, they opened the first phase, which is 1,000 rooms this year or late last year, and they are building another 1,000 rooms, so they are going to be at 2,000 rooms when they finish the expansion. Now, as I said, we messed up the list, but the next one is Bahia. Now, Bahia currently has 1,350 rooms in St. Anne, and they plan to build 2 more hotels on the property, and they will definitely be over 2,000 rooms when finished. Now, the last one on the list is Grand Palladium in Hanover, and you notice Hanover also has Princess Resorts. So Grand Palladium announced they actually did the groundbreaking for another 950 rooms. So the 950 plus the, I think it's 1050 rooms that they have now, 1054 rooms they have now, will put them over the 2000 mark. So as you can see, and these are all hotels that are either open and they are expanding. These don't include the ones that haven't started construction yet. So as you can see, the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing extremely well. And it speaks volumes when you have a hotel chain in Jamaica and they are expanding and building even bigger hotels. That means they came, they like what they saw, they obviously are making money or they wouldn't be expanding. Though guests definitely are coming and the hotels are probably booked out beyond capacity and they have to be turning away guests. That's why they're doing this kind of expansion. Almost every major hotel chain in Jamaica is expanding. Now, there are other hotels that are also expanding. Secrets is building two new hotels, Wyndham, but these are the ones that are, these developments are on the way now. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.